Want to start an online business? Don't have a lot of cash? Dropshipping might be your answer. It's exploding in 2024. People are making serious money and you can too. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but with the right roadmap, you can build a real business. We're going to break it all down step by step. Think of it like building a house. You need the right tools and blueprint. We'll be your guide, showing you exactly what to do. No fluff, just actionable advice you can use today. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to launch your own dropshipping empire. Ready to take control of your future? Let's dive in. We'll cover everything from finding the perfect product to getting it in your customers' hands. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. We'll break down each step into bite-sized pieces. You'll learn how to find a profitable niche, source hot products, create a killer online store, drive traffic, and make sales. This is your chance to join the e-commerce revolution. Are you in? Let's get started. Dropshipping. It's a simple idea that's changing the game of business. Think of it as being the middleman, but without the inventory headaches. You sell products online, you make the profit, but someone else ships it for you. Here's how it works. You list a product on your website. Let's say it's a cool new phone case. A customer buys it. They pay you the retail price. You order that same phone case from your supplier, usually at a wholesale price. You keep the difference. Your supplier ships the phone case directly to your customer. You're the connection, the facilitator. You never touch the product. Your supplier handles the storage and shipping. Pretty cool, right? Why is everyone talking about dropshipping? It's simple. Low startup costs. Forget about renting a warehouse or buying tons of inventory. You only pay for products when you sell them. Flexibility. Work from anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours. Be your own boss. Scalability. Start small and grow at your own pace. As your sales increase, so can your profits. Dropshipping gives you the freedom to build a real business without the traditional risks. It's about working smarter, not harder. Dropshipping in 2024, your time is now. E-commerce is booming, more people are buying online than ever before, and guess what? Dropshipping is riding that wave. But it's not just about being in the right place at the right time, it's about finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Building a brand. It's not just about selling products, it's about creating an experience. Marketing like a pro. Reach your target audience and turn them into loyal customers. This is your opportunity to create something special, something you can be proud of. Are you ready to join the dropshipping revolution? You can't sell everything to everyone, that's a recipe for disaster. Instead, you need to niche down. Find a specific group of people with a specific need. Think about it. Would you rather shop at a generic department store or a boutique that specializes in your style? The answer is obvious. People are drawn to specialization. It builds trust and credibility. Niching down allows you to target your marketing efforts with laser-like precision. Become an expert in your market. Build a loyal following of passionate customers. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Your niche should be something you genuinely care about. This makes the work more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Think about your hobbies, interests, and experiences. What problems have you encountered that you could solve for others? Maybe you're a fitness junkie who can help others achieve their health goals, or perhaps you're a tech geek who can curate the best gadgets. When you're passionate about your niche, you'll be more motivated to work hard. Your enthusiasm will be contagious to customers. You'll naturally become a trusted source of information. Section 3. Research like a pro. Now it's time to put on your detective hat. Validate your niche. Thorough research is crucial. Use tools like Google Trends, check keyword interest, explore social media hashtags, analyze competitors, find a profitable, in-demand niche. Section 1. The supplier equation. Your key to success. You've got your niche, you're fired up. Now let's talk about the backbone of your dropshipping business suppliers. These are the folks who hold the inventory and ship directly to your customers. Choosing the right supplier is non-negotiable. They can make or break your business. Think of it like this. Your supplier is an extension of your brand. Their efficiency, product quality, and communication reflect on you. A reliable supplier means happy customers, quality products that arrive on time, smooth operations, easy ordering, tracking, and communication, more time for growth. You can focus on marketing and scaling your business. Section 2. Vetting for gold-finding dropshipping gems. Not all suppliers are created equal. You need to separate the wheat from the chaff. Luckily, there are platforms designed specifically for dropshippers. AliExpress, a massive online marketplace with millions of products and suppliers. Salehoo, a directory of vetted suppliers known for quality and reliability. Spocket connects you with suppliers in the US and EU for faster shipping times. When evaluating suppliers, consider these factors. Product quality order samples. Test them yourself. Read reviews from other dropshippers. Shipping times and costs. Fast and affordable shipping is crucial for customer satisfaction. Communication and responsiveness. Do they respond promptly to inquiries? Are they easy to work with? Section 3. Building bridges. Communication is key. Finding a great supplier is just the first step. You need to build a strong working relationship. Communication is key. Be upfront about your needs. Let them know you're a dropshipper. Be clear about your expectations for order fulfillment and communication. Establish clear communication channels. Email, phone, instant messaging. What works best for both of you? Don't be afraid to negotiate. As your order volume increases, don't be afraid to ask for better pricing or terms. Treat your suppliers with respect. They are your partners in success. A strong relationship will lead to a smoother, more profitable business. Remember, your success is directly tied to the performance of your suppliers. Choose wisely, communicate effectively, and watch your dropshipping business thrive. Section 1. Building your digital storefront. You've got a killer niche. You've found reliable suppliers. Now it's time to build your online empire. Think of your online store as your digital storefront. It's the first impression, the virtual handshake with your customer. No need to be a tech whiz. Tons of user-friendly platforms make it easy to create a professional-looking store, even if you can't code a single line. This is about showcasing your products in the best possible light. Remember, your online store should be visually appealing, clean design, high-quality images, easy navigation. It should be user-friendly, simple checkout process, clear product descriptions, mobile responsiveness, and it should be trustworthy, secure payment gateway, contact information readily available, customer testimonials. Section 2. Choosing the right platform. So many platforms, so little time. Don't get overwhelmed. The right platform depends on your budget, technical skills, and growth plans. Here are a few popular options. Shopify, the king of e-commerce. User-friendly, scalable, tons of apps and integrations. Perfect for beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. WooCommerce, a powerful plugin for WordPress. More customizable but requires some technical know-how. Best for those familiar with WordPress. Wix drag-and-drop website builder with e-commerce functionality. Great for beginners who prioritize ease of use. Each platform has its pros and cons. Research carefully, compare features and pricing, and choose the one that aligns with your business goals. Section 3. Stocking your virtual shelves. Now for the fun part, adding products. This is where your niche research comes into play. Select products that are in demand, align with your brand, and offer healthy profit margins. Don't just copy and paste product descriptions from your supplier. That's a surefire way to get lost in the sea of sameness. Instead, write compelling descriptions that highlight benefits, solve problems, and entice customers to click add to cart. Remember these key elements. High-quality images. Use multiple angles, zoom features, and lifestyle shots to showcase your products. Compelling descriptions. Focus on benefits, not just features. Use storytelling and emotional language. Competitive pricing. Research your competitors and find the sweet spot between profit and affordability. Showtime. Launching your store. Your store is built, your products are loaded. Now unveil your masterpiece to the world. Take a deep breath and hit publish. But your work isn't done yet. Launching is just the beginning. Drive traffic, generate buzz, and convert visitors. We'll dive into marketing strategies next. Section 1. Marketing your masterpiece. Getting the word out. Your online store is live, it's a thing of beauty. But it won't do you any good if no one knows about it. This is where marketing comes in. It's about getting your masterpiece in front of the right people. Think of marketing as matchmaking. You're connecting your awesome products with eager customers. It's about building relationships, not just blasting out sales pitches. People can spot a sleazy salesperson a mile away. Marketing is about understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? Where do they hang out online? Creating valuable content. Provide information, entertainment, or solutions that resonate with your target market. Building trust and credibility. Show your expertise, gather testimonials, and engage with your audience authentically. Social media is a goldmine for dropshippers. It's where your target audience spends their time. But it's not enough to just have a presence. You need to be strategic. Think of each social media platform as a different neighborhood. Tailor your message and content to each platform's vibe. Imagine typing best running shoes into Google. Your online store pops up at the top of the results. Customers click, browse, and buy. That's the power of SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is about making your store visible to search engines like Google. It's about speaking their language so they can understand what your site is about and rank you accordingly. Here's the secret sauce. Keyword research. Find out what words and phrases people are using to search for products in your niche. On-page optimization. Use those keywords strategically in your website content, product descriptions, and image alt tags. Off-page optimization. Build backlinks from other reputable websites to signal to Google that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. Organic reach is great, but sometimes you need a little boost. That's where paid advertising comes in. It's like putting your marketing message on a billboard, but way more targeted. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads allow you to target your ideal customer with laser-like precision. You can choose demographics, interests, behaviors, and even retarget people who have already visited your store. Here's the deal with paid ads. Set a budget. Start small and scale up as you learn what works. Test different ad creatives. Experiment with different images, headlines, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Track your results. Don't just throw money at ads blindly. Analyze the data, see what's working, and optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI, return on investment. The art of fulfillment. Delivering the goods. You've made the sale. Congrats! Now it's time for the magic to happen. Fulfillment is about getting the product from your supplier's warehouse to your customer's doorstep. Exceed expectations, not just meet them. Section 2. Customer service ninja turning buyers into fans. Customer service. It can make or break your business. One bad experience can spread like wildfire. Exceptional service creates raving fans and positive word of mouth. Be a customer service ninja. Assist, answer questions, and resolve issues with speed and grace. Build relationships, not just transactions. Handling hiccups like a pro. Even with the best systems, things can go wrong. A package might get lost. An item could arrive damaged. Handle these hiccups calmly. Don't panic. Approach the situation with a calm demeanor. Most problems are solvable with patience and creativity. Acknowledge the issue and apologize sincerely. Offer a solution. Follow up. Show you care. It's how you recover that matters. Scaling your dropshipping empire. Your store is humming. Orders are flowing in. Now it's time to think bigger. Scaling isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Multiply your efforts, not just add to them. You've planted a seed, nurtured it, now help it grow into a mighty oak. Take your dropshipping business to the next level. Expand your product line. Introduce new products or variations. Think bundles, upsells, and cross-sells. Conquer new markets. Automate and outsource. Free up your time for strategic growth. Your dropshipping journey starts now. Congratulations, future dropshipping mogul. This is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial adventure. You now possess the knowledge, tools, and mindset to build a thriving online business. Remember, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Now go out there and build your dropshipping empire. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting side hustles and entrepreneurial tips.